Hey guys! It's another unboxing video that I'm going to show you right now. But right now it's Huawei P Smart. I was able to bought this one, but this is not that costly. Actually, we're going to use this one for roaming. Okay, so let's open it up now. Can you focus this one? Huawei P Smart. Okay.
You cannot use your fingernails.
Use your fingernails. Okay. So what do we have it here?
Ginanon lang palibasa.
We have the
Ganyan-ganyan mo lang yan.
charger.
Aba, ang bilis
We have the cable. We have the earphones. We have the, what's this?
Case.
Oh, we have the case. There's a case inside. And there is a manual. And there is,
Pin.
a very good pin, very costly.
Bakit? Parang pin lang talaga.
Parang lang to Parang paper clip lang to Vera. Ayos You know, it looks like a paper clip.
Okay, meron
Pwede mo wala.
Susi ka pa
Yes.
Siyempre mura
Let's put it here. Put it there. It's a 3-pin. Okay. That's good.
Finish.
That's good.
Maganda yung kulay
It's black. Huawei.
Dapat yata blue na lang. Maganda kaya yung blue?
Meron na agad siya.
Ha?
Meron na siyang...
Open na?
Ay, hindi.
Hindi. Case niya. Ay, ano na yan? Plastic. Pwede nang gamitin agad yan?
Of course. Nasaan cellphone board mo?
Nakalagay doon.
It's a dual camera. So as you see, the initial findings about this phone is it's a good phone, P Smart, a cheap phone, but I believe the function and features are the same as other Android phone. We will give you the final verdict about this phone later on, and we will a good review after 3 months of usage, and then let's see what will happen. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you should subscribe to Dexter Panganiban video blog. You can press this bell, and then after pressing this bell, this will be always notify you whenever we have new videos. So see you in my next video.